Where's the tornado warning for?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southeastern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, southwestern Kane County in northeastern Illinois until midnight. At 11:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado were located along a line extending from Waterman's near Sonenock to Lake Holiday, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangers near, simply around 11:30 p.m. For your protection, on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Northeastern Lake County is canceled. A separate severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for northeastern Lake County.
But what we are looking at here is until midnight. So I'm going to be with you for the better part of the next 33 minutes as we talk through this. And just know, right up front, that this is a hard situation for you.